So now let's proceed to item number 18. We have here question, how many incongruent solutions are there in the line congruent 18x modulo 48 modulo 24? So first, we are going to simplify 18x modulo 48 modulo 24. So we are going to the GCD of 18 and 24 is 6. So if we divide 6, 48 times 6 is equal to 8. Now we are going to divide the congruent by 6. So 18 divide 6 x modulo 48 divide 6 modulo 24 divide 6 is equal to 3x modulo 8 modulo 4. So the number of incongruent solution of modulo 24 is 6. X is equal to 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 modulo 24, and the answer is 6. So 6 solution. The linear congruent of 18x modulo 48 modulo 24 is 6.